Good day everyone, I'm Teacher Justin and welcome to another EdTech video tutorial. On today's video, we're going to talk about the website HeyHi.sg. But before we proceed to our video, please do not forget to click the subscribe button and click the notification bell icon in order for you to be updated whenever I uploaded new content. Now on to our video. Alright, what is HeyHi? HeyHi is an online interactive whiteboard. It is an app with video call, screen sharing, and interactive whiteboard. Online interactive whiteboard? I like that. Where do I sign up? So first, go to their website, HeyHi.sg. You can sign up for free using your email address. Then verify your account, then you will receive an email from HeyHi with your username and password. So let's log in using the username and the password that they sent us. So after logging in, you will see the dashboard. So the dashboard will update you for upcoming, ongoing, and finished meetings. Alright, beside the dashboard, we have the library. This is where you upload all the documents, images, visual aids, and assessment that you will use during your class. To upload your files, just click the new button and then upload your document and your image from your laptop or your device. Okay, you can also create folder to organize your files. Another feature that I like is you can create a poll. So you can create a ready-made multiple choice question that you can send during your meeting. Alright, so let's create a poll, a question. Let's use the files that I have here in my computer. Alright, now let's proceed to scheduling our meeting. So first, click the new meeting, then type in the meeting name. So I'm going to type in Math 9. Okay, and the section of our class. Then let's select the meeting mode. So we have different meeting mode to choose from. You can choose depending on the mode and number of participants you need. Then after selecting your meeting mode, we can schedule the meeting and we can start a meeting. So in scheduling the meeting, we can set the date, the time, and the duration of the meeting. We can also change some settings. Okay. After setting your schedule, let's start the meeting. Okay, after clicking the start the meeting, you will be given the meeting ID, the access code, and the link to your meeting. You can send the link and the access code to your students so that they can join the meeting during that time. Now, after that, click go to meeting and then type in your display name. So I will type my name, Teacher Justin. Okay, and then the access code. So automatic, the access code will be there because you're joining the meeting that you set up. Okay, then click join meeting. And if you can see, you can test if your webcam and microphone is working. Okay, so mine is working. So let's click finished. We are now here in our whiteboard. Okay, so let's check the tools of this online whiteboard. So it has a pen, highlighter, eraser, zoom in, zoom out, undo and redo buttons. You can also choose the thickness and the color of your pen. Okay. And let's try this. So I'm gonna draw using my drawing tablet. I'm going to write something using my drawing tablet. Okay, so here's my pen. And let's draw. Let's write hello and welcome to Mathematics 9 or Math 9. Okay. Yeah. Okay, you can also insert geometrical figures like lines, squares, circle, oval, triangles, and even create a polygon. You can also insert text. Okay, let's type in hello, hello, welcome to Mathematics 9. Okay. Another thing that I like about this whiteboard is that it is borderless. You have an infinite space for you to use. You can just drag and then zoom in, zoom out there's no limit. The space is infinite. So you can draw anywhere. You can use the space for you to write. But if that's not enough, you can add another whiteboard. So you can just click the add button in the upper left corner of your screen, and then you can add as many whiteboards as you want. So let's have the second whiteboard. Let's try to insert documents and images. So in inserting document and images, you can upload from your device or from your library. And another way of uploading your file from the library is by clicking the library and then dragging the file or the picture to the whiteboard. So you can just drag and then place. Drag and place. That's easy. Let's proceed to the chat features of this whiteboard app. So you can send messages to your students using the chat box. You can also share the document or images from your computer or from the library. So you can just click share and then choose the file that you will pick, that you will share to your students. Okay. So one thing I like about this poll feature of this chat box is that you can send polls to your students and for them to answer it. So by utilizing this feature, you can make your class more engaging and more interactive. So next is you can also change the guest setting. If you can see, you have the power to enable them to edit, speak, show their webcam, and chat. And the last feature that we're going to talk about is the Draw with Touch feature. This Draw with Touch feature is that if you don't have a drawing tablet like this, okay, you can use your mobile phone, your mobile devices, your iPad, your tablet as your drawing pad. What? That's true. Yes, it's true. Okay, all you need to do is to click the Draw with Touch button, download the HeyHi app in your app store, in your mobile device, and scan the QR code, and you will be connected. Now, as you can see, I can write and insert images using my mobile phone. Alright. There are many more features to explore in this application, but we don't have that much time, so I just gave you the basic features of this application. And if you can see, I did enjoy exploring it. I discovered a lot of things and I imagined how to plan this out in my class. Now, for my personal review for this application, I find it easy to use and very helpful for my online teaching. So if you're looking for an application wherein you can write and interact with your students and also have a video call and screen sharing tool, you can use this application. I highly recommend this to all teachers who are doing online tutorial or online teaching. Now that you already know about this HeyHi application, it is your turn to try it. Explore the features of this HeyHi and see what you can do for your online teaching. Please click the link in our description box below for you to go to this website, HeyHi.sg. Alright, and that's it for today. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you have comments, questions, clarifications about this application, please leave it in our comment section below. Share this video and don't forget to subscribe. And for more videos like this, you can go to my channel, Teacher Justin. Again, I'm Teacher Justin. Goodbye, God bless, and stay safe. See you on my next video. Peace.